you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
On YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that YouTube, and such YouTube, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People who are gone. I wonder, I'm not sure what time I'm going to upload this, you know. If I can upload it tonight, good night. If it is tomorrow, well, good morning. But people, me never hit through the intro. Me go straight in at the story. So Vybz Kartel, nephew, ZEE-K. Yeah man, ZEE-K, upcoming artist. Him do a song called Sympathy. And me I tell you, the man this a bag of people. Him big up some people still. But him this a bag of people, included Popcaan. Listen to this song. The man say Popcaan them no bad. The man say Popcaan them a baby. And you know say me have to shout out my subscriber them. That's why I'm loving you so much. Stacy, big up yourself because you send me that one here and say Chaddy, you have to review that song here. Sorry, say I don't want complete review of the song me I do, but at least it get a feature. So listen a little more.
Boss rifle and then him drop it on floor. Wheel off matic and then he crap a couple more. Know when him done all him hand good as well. Cause he never bust a gun for him Liverpool more. Only one alkaline a talk about him sleep. Systematic in a chest make him a skip a beat. And he send a text tell the pussy sleepless. Close casket no funeral carty. Jam meal fishy down my father want a body. Now you run dance all and a trolley. First rasta man me see a sing more God. See a see could have bex if you call him daddy.
The man say my father the first Rasta man him see. First in his life Rasta man him see. I talk about God. Still I see I got third in him grave. John was star. You know that line there shoot off when my father did the song what they about. He want to be big like Jesus. Anyhow, still not never wrong. I love his song. See you way. But yo, tell me what you think about that song yeah. You feel like say the artist is bad, or you feel like say the artist is not even gonna be a one hit wonder? Cause this probably never hit. But tell me what you think in the comment section below. And my personal views. Hold on, me I go play the part here before me tell you my personal views. Here how the man deal with the big bad cricketer Marlon Samuels.
Time them fill out with the hype. Them a move like a car light. All the man them some right. All the one Marlon Samuel. We face so much balls I tell man but he well. The music dance all no fit you. Stick to your cricket make your umpire choke you. Me just attack my mind no need to feel bad. They are the only artists when me see how we apply.
Yeah man, ZEE-K, him bad. Me not telling a lie. That tune yeah, he have no sympathy. As well the title of the song name. No sympathy. Me I go link it in the comments. Sorry. Me I go link it in the description below. Me I go link it in the description. Although me remember I'm pin it in the comment section. You see me? And him go again and him big up some vloggers. You see me? Him big up Tef, Soulflow, and some other vloggers. You see me? Me don't remember how much vloggers, but me remember Tef and Soulflow. So and rapper, I think me don't remember. But that tune is bad. Wanna go and go listen it and come tell me I want who him big up. So Jamaica is gonna get its very own Walmart Super Center. People, wanna pre the pitch there and tell me if Jamaicans are a sample. The dude have a stall and write Walmart Super Center. Me I tell you, Jado star. Jamaicans are the best. So people, earlier on this year, about in August or something like so, Nikki Chromaz bought 2 new car, 2 new hot car. Yeah man, them did alright. You see me? For a girl who try and all these things, them alright. But now, guess what she buy? A brand new body. Take a look.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito.
That's it. So people, let me know if you don't like it or you feel like she should put on no extension bottom, cause she did done look good already, you know. well chrome out, bleach out, chrome out, same difference. But people, Missy say it's a new trend right now where it even are reaching a Jamaica where people them know, like if them insecure about themselves certain way, them just say, you know what, I go buy a pair of boobs. Or them say, you know what, I go buy a pair of buttocks. So tell me in the comment section if you support them thinking, if you support people doing body enhancement. Cause you don't know, say a luxury doll them are anything you know. So dancehall artist Jada Kingdom and Bugle is set to release their new video. Them do a collab. And me have a preview for you. Take a look.
I've been going to Antigua, yeah. St. Martin we not leave, yeah. I'll be going to the Cayman Islands in the sun, girls wanna have fun now.
You hear it, you don't know, say it's a little Caribbean little vibes, you know. Soca season forward up, so I feel say that them a market it for. But it's shot, me not tell a lie, and that's just the preview. And you know, say Jada Kingdom I'm a girl in a real life. So dancehall fast rising corporate group Romish Entertainment is set to release their new juggling. I first juggling for Romish. And you have artists like, you know the regulars already. The Ding Dong them, the TJ them, the Sheng Yang them. Watch out, me all call her Sheng Yang. The Shensia. But you have an artist who me really want highlight. You see me? Because the artist had me hear one song for him a couple months ago. And it bad. And I like it. Him name Cash. And the title of theme song I gonna name Make We Party. That you there. He might go somewhere in a music. So me eager to hear that song for him. You see me? And another song me eager to hear on the rhythm as well. A TG and Ding Dong. Two of them on one track. Up top bass and the ravers done. So we don't know how that I go turn out. People, me now have a preview for you. The man only just upload the cover art. Me don't know where my tell me say right now. Say what? Just if you make me thumbnail from early. I must that him tell me. Me don't know still, but stick around because you know say anytime this drop, Chaddy Maria go there for review it for you. And me have a feeling say this a drop Friday, but don't tell nobody.
We don't fight over man.
Too good for that.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Sheng Yang anthem.
So for the last topic we are going to talk about, Queen Ifrica demand an apology from Vybz Kartel for call her say she bleach. Jano Star. This was what she say, and people, a bag of expletives in it. I'm now going to edit it out. So if you have kids, cover them ears.
I'm fix my shades for my face, guy. You don't know. When you see me, you know say me in a mood, don't. I want to tell some people to love me out of them blood clot colorism argument. You hear that? Because I go through my own colorism over here, so because some people don't want to accept semi brown for true. You see me? So they want to come mix me up in some bleaching argument and them think the Vybz Kartel and even put out the apology to the world and tell people them say surf talks to the Queen bleach, you know. Because when you talk to the Queen bleach, I be people are say it, you know, dog. Saying? So we are so we're black and we're proud, we're half black, yeah? We get the slave master complexion, we're not happy about it. But enough to lower off my name now with this bleaching blood clot argument. Our bun bleach and bun people when I love themselves and insecure with themselves. You hear that? How we say love to self.
So Queen Ifrica, it take you over 7 years to forward out and make a video like this or demand, so to say, an apology from Vybz Kartel? Knowing that even Vybz Kartel is behind the bar, even though in Instagram page is very much active. But what are your gains from this video right now? Was it that you need a publicity stunt? Was it that you're trying a publicity stunt? I think you need to consult Spice because she would be the perfect one to teach you. Because this, it not gonna know it. But people, these are my thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You like this video? Well, if you do, just give it a thumbs up. And if it's the first time you're watching, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. For returning subscribers, thank you for watching again. All of the viewers, all if you watch and not subscribe, thanks for clicking on my channel. So people, don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ Chaddy. Until next time, I'm out.